when I hear of these real stories of suffering.
Ministry ya maundu ma nanja wa bururi niranire gutigirira aria othe mahutirio ni mutino wa bomu wa mwaka wa 1998 ni marihwo na ihenya ta uria kwahoteka.
Let us not waste time with a lot of stories. Let's get down to action. I think the victims will want to see change. We can talk and talk and talk, but what matters is action.
Akiaria ari mbere ya kamiti ya ihinda ya Senate iri irateithiriria ndoa ya gukinyira kihoto kiao na iri iratongorio ni Senator wa Machakos Agnes Kavindu. Minister wa maundu ma nanja Dagitari ALFRED MUTUA niranire gugathagania giikaro na baruthi wa Amerika guku bururi-ini MEGG WHITMANN mbere ya tariki 7 mweri ukite niguo kwarira mitaratara ya marihi maria othe mahutirio ni mutino wa bomu wa tariki 7 mweri wa kanana mwaka wa 1998.
I have seen a gap in my ministry in terms of being able to compensate the aspirations of the victims. I have listened to the very many questions they have asked, and the questions all point to a sense of feeling of neglect by the Ministry of Foreign Affairs.
Oho MUTUA ni ugite ni atanyite guthagathaga mucemanio ngi bururi-ini wa Amerika tariki 15 mweri ukite na senators a bururi ucio hamwe na kamiti ya ihinda ya Senate guku bururi-ini niguo kwarira uria andu aya makurihwo.
The good thing is that the Americans are our friends, and so we are not talking to enemies, we are talking to our friends who will listen to us. Even when we're talking to our friends, we need to engage our friends on the topics that matter to our people.
Oho MUTUA ni ugite ministry yake ni kumba gikundi kia mawakiri kuma Kenya aria mekunyitanira na aruna ao kuma bururi-ini wa Amerika niguo gutafanagia maundu mothe ma kiwatho megie marihi mao.
International relations should benefit everyone. We are not going to relate to the Americans about trade, about security issues, and forget to put them to task about the payment and the compensation of our people. It is important to realize that there are processes that have to be followed.
Ihinda-ini riu kamiti ino ni endekithitio gucenjio kwa gicunji kia watho niguo gukuruhania aria mahutirio ni mutino wa bomu niguo gukinyaniria kihoto kiao kiria makoretwo metereire kwa ihinda ria miaka 25.
And I want to thank the lawyers who have come to the place where by now we know that we need to amend the law in the United States for our victims to be compensated. So now the ball is in our court. Actually, the ball is in my court.
Praying that once we go to the US with you, and some of the victims will be able to meet these bodies and come up with something tangible even before the Senate, the Handle Committee moves to the Senate and talk to them.
Ihinda-ini riu kamiti ino ni endekithitie gucenjio kwa gicunji kia watho wa bururi wa Amerika niguo gukuruhania aria mahutirio ni mutino wa bomu niguo gukinyaniria kihoto kiao kiria makoretwo metereire kwa ihinda ria miaka 25. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV njitagwo Gathoni Wang'ang'a.